So we just finished our install here at Woody's Pub and Grill. We're going to go in and take a look at our setup after we finish our Toast installation. So let's go take a look inside. So what we got here today is going to be a hardware migration from phase 3 to Toast. Customers I set up some of the devices for us before we got started here today. So real quick, I'm going to break all this stuff down, and then I'm going to move the Toast equipment over to their network. One of the things that we did run into today was they have a chaotic network room. So we're going to go show you that very shortly, and how we can alleviate those problems in the future for customers, so they don't have to go from a Toast managed network or F3 managed network to a self-managed network due to all the chaos that they have going on in their network area. One of my favorite things about these Toast supply bags, not only does it come with a few zip ties for you for cable management, but you have numbers in here. You also have these screwdrivers. I can change my flathead to a Phillips easily. Great tool to have, especially with installations when you need to pull out old hardware. Really enjoy those tools that they supply for you. Allows your installation to be super clean. And then we'll clip that shortly. And just like that, we have now transferred over and migrated their new hardware in. Absolutely easy. So we are actually having a few problems getting this device online. That's why we have the yellow banner broadcast at the top. This is a technician. Easy, most valuable tool. With this, I can scan for IPs. I can trace the cable and see where it goes to in the office. That's what we're going to do right now. And I'll tell you more about this thing later. This thing's absolutely beautiful. So now we're going to scan for it. I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, when you send the tone through, you can increase the sensitivity so it gets it up pretty far away. In case you have those crazy networking closets. But once you're right next to it, you can easily pick up that signal. So we're gonna go in the networking office right now and find out where this cable is located. So as you can see behind me, we have a giant networking rack with cabling that is just, we won't say it's atrocious, but it is very unorganized. The problem that we are having with this site is that we cannot go forward with a Toast managed network. We have to go with the self-managed network because what they also have is they have gaming machines. They have a lot of other devices that we cannot tamper with as a technician, things that don't belong to us. So what we have decided to do is we're going to go self-manage. Customers responsible for their own network. They already have it set up, which is absolutely beautiful because they were planning this anyways because they had a feeling this was not going to work because it's switches on top of switches. It can be network loops, which can cause problems down the road for Toast devices because if there's PCI compliance violations, then they're going to kick you off this network and you won't be able to process credit cards or anything like that. So one of the things that we are currently doing is we are still toning that cable from earlier that we had at a different station. So this is our toner. It's our wand that we have with it. Absolutely fantastic device. Allows us to send a signal out and find where our cable is going before being able to plug that in. And once we find said cable, oh, we just died. No, we didn't. And there we go. This is our cable that we've been looking for. So we're going to run back to that station now, and we are going to get this up and running. It's one of these. There we go. There we go. This is it. All right.